welcome back to the Fortitude Fix. I hope you're well. I am so glad you are here to join me for another video. First off, I just want to mention, if you are not following me on Instagram and Facebook at TheFortitudeFix, go ahead and do that. I would love to have you. I post a lot of motivational, inspirational, educational, and just really downright funny photos and content over there on my Instagram and Facebook. So I would love to have you join the fam. As you all know, I am planning a wedding, and so my lifestyle right now is all wedding planning focused. So with that said, I would love to bring to you my July The Ring Boxes unboxing video. Alright, so I really need to keep it 100 with you. When this box came in the mail, my fiance received it. He was working from home that day, and he sent me a text letting me know my box was here, and I was really, really happy. I was having a really bad day that day, and when I came home, I wanted to open the box, and I, at the same time, didn't feel like taking out the camera and filming that day. I have waited just a little while, but I wanted to bring to you everything that was inside of my July box. Here's the box. I have looked at this before. I will go ahead and open it and show you what was inside. If you see any cloudy air or vapor, you guessed it, I am loving my diffuser. If you haven't checked out my diffuser video, I'll go ahead and link it over here. Please go watch it. I love my diffuser, and I am diffusing my essential oils today, and I feel really, really great about it. So let's look inside. So first, the thing that I saw inside of my Ring Boxes box was my recipes. So this time they sent 2 recipes. The recipes are on cardstock. So what I've done is place them on top of a white regular sheet of paper, like copy paper, and I put it inside of this plastic sleeve. This goes inside of my recipe binder. If you're interested in seeing what my recipe binder looks like, let me know. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I can do a video on my recipe binder. But this is a recipe for pizza margherita crostini and seared scallops over angel hair. Yes, I am so excited to make this. Next in my box, these hair ties. So they say to have and to hold your hair back. And so I have a black one and a white one, and they just say bride on them, so I'll put them a little bit closer. This bride to be cake topper. So I'm guessing this either goes to like my bridal shower cake or cupcakes, or for my bachelorette party. If I have a cake or cupcakes there, this would be the cake topper for those sweet treats. Next, there's some twine. There's a lot of twine here, and it doesn't really make sense. I remember opening this box and I was like, what the heck, why do I have twine in here? But the twine goes with what's inside. These are very, very special wooden signs that say groom. I'm gonna bring this closer if y'all can see. Groom. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna have to finish this quick. The next one says bride. Specialty, made out of wood. It is handcrafted, and the twine is to then tie on the back of your chair at your reception or something like that. So we have the bride and the groom. Right now, these live downstairs next to our degrees. We, again, are very into education, and so next to my master's degree, it says bride. Next to his master's degree, it says groom. We're using it as decor right now, up until our wedding day. And the last thing in my box is this bath bomb in mint. Natural, 100% vegan, non-GMO for nourishing and relaxation. I'm so excited for my bath bomb. I use the bathroom in our house that has the actual bathtub, so I will definitely be using this balm very, very soon. that brings us to the end of the July box. Thank you all so much for watching. I am so sorry that I didn't upload this sooner, but I am so glad that you came back just to check this out. Hopefully you'll stay a while, click that subscribe button and become part of the family. I look forward to seeing you again real soon, right here. Or head on over to my Instagram, TheFortitudeFix, my Facebook, also TheFortitudeFix, or follow my blog, my website at TheFortitudeFix.com. Please do remember to always fill your cup.